Hello, in this video I will show you how to properly use Fibonacci tool. So let's start. First take the Fibonacci, pause the video and copy the same settings as me. I will now draw a sketch of how it should be used on up and down trend market. First draw Fibonacci from bottom to the top of the trend. Then you want the price to retest the golden area that is in range from 0.50 to 0.618. So when the price get in the golden zone, you put buy order. Stop loss should be under 0.764 line. Take profit can be set on 3 different areas. First one, second or third the minus 0.618 line. The same process is for downtrend price. But you need to draw Fibonacci from top to the bottom of reversal. Then wait for the price to retest golden zone and get into sell. It is not complicated. Here I will make some back testing on real price, so you can see how powerful Fibonacci is. Enjoy. Let's make a little bit of back testing on 4-hour time frame. As you can see, easy 3500 pips take profit hit. So that is it from the tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe, because in the next video I will choose random subscriber and greet him. Thank you for watching.